Ginger tea is incredibly powerful, but only if you prepare it correctly. Ginger contains gingerol, a natural compound shown to reduce inflammation, help digestion, and support healthy circulation. That's why it's prized for soothing aches, settling the stomach, and creating gentle warmth. Most people boil ginger for too long thinking it helps. High heat actually destroys gingerol, so the tea loses much of its benefit. Instead, slice fresh ginger and steep it in hot, but not boiling water for about 10 minutes. This preserves both the comforting flavor and the health benefits. Ginger tea is best after meals or in the morning. If you're sensitive to warming herbs, avoid it late at night. If you have a sensitive stomach or take blood thinners, check with a healthcare professional before making ginger tea a habit. Simple habits can make a real difference. Subscribe to 2 Minutes Herbs for more science-backed herbal wisdom.